You are staying with me. Okay? This is my octopus. Sakit. Ano? So this is my correct answer. So if we do something else, we will different actions of your life. Okay, guys. So we need uncut ears. So I'm listening to you. What can I say? So we can adopt any food. Me, I can adopt my family. So I have Lola. Adopt my family. But I don't have any one food. So I need to buy right now. So bye guys. Love you. A horse. I